Hello. Kostas Albanidis here, and to this video, I'm gonna show you how you can use Webhook so that when you have several websites and you have subscription forms for newsletters or any kind of other service, and you want to get the name and the email from this from one side and transfer that even to another website. Okay, uh, I have already showcased Fluent Forms, and I'm gonna leave a link to my description so that you can find out more about Fluent Forms. That's an amazing plugin, and it gives you the ability to create automations, and that's the Fluent CRM, but that's apart from the Fluent Forms. But combining all those stuff together from Fluent um, modules and plugins, you're gonna see that it gives you a full advertising or a full marketing system. Okay, so let's move on, and I'm going to show you very fast how you can enable Webhook and um, uh, and leverage Webhook. And in fact, I'm going to show you the way that I'm going to grab the email from another website, let's say from Hot Deals, and I'm going to transfer this email to the contact list that it's uh, to uh, to this website that it's called Passive Revenue Stream. Okay, so let's start by going to Fluent Forms integration, and first we're gonna have to enable webhooks. You see here it's disabled, so I'm gonna have to enable it. You see, broadcast your Fluent Forms submission to any web API endpoint with a powerful webhook module. And the same thing I'm gonna do to a hot deal. Okay, let me just grab and bring the other website here. Okay, and here we're we are to the other website. Let's go and find um the webhook module. You see that we have even the OpenAI ChatGPT here module that we can leverage AI and create automated answer to people that they subscribe to your channel. Okay, now that I have enabled the broadcast your Fluent Form submission to any web API endpoint with a powerful webhook module, I'm gonna move to the particular form. Okay, I'm gonna find this newsletter form. Let's find this form, and it's gonna be not the conversational one. It's gonna be this one, the subscription form. Okay, so I'm gonna move on, and I'm gonna preview first this form, so that to be sure that it's the one that I'm looking for. Okay, this is the one that I want to use, and I'm gonna move and click edit. Now I'm gonna move to settings and integration, and to setting and integration I'm gonna find the webhook from the left. Okay, I'm gonna click webhook, and over here I'm gonna have to create a new webhook integration. Okay, so I'm gonna create a new webhook. I'm gonna give a name here. I'm gonna write that this webhook, it's gonna be connection of hot deal to let's see, the other one is gonna be passive revenue. Okay, and here we need the webhook URL. I'm gonna grab it from the other website. The request format is form In fact, I'm gonna leave everything as it is, but we need the webhook URL. That's the webhook. It's the URL that we need to get from the other website, and it's what this webhook is gonna be checking and monitoring in case there is a submission from this webhook URL to send straight all this data to uh, to my management system and marketing system to uh, to the other website. Okay, so let's go and see the webhook settings to the Fluent CRM that I have for the passive revenue. Let me show you here. If you are to the dashboard, you're gonna have to move to the settings over here. Let's go not to automations. I'm gonna move to the dashboard, and over here I'm gonna have to move to the settings and then find out here from the left you're gonna find the income webhooks. Okay, now we're gonna create a webhook. I'm gonna name it uh, let's see, hot deals hot deals for all. um, uh, Subscribe form. Okay. Default list, it's where I want this to go. So I'm gonna give it a tag over here. I'm gonna give it a tag to go to MLSGS 100. So when somebody subscribes, it's gonna get a tag. I'm not gonna give it a list, but I can even give it a list. It's okay to give if you want a list, but I'm not gonna do so. I'm gonna select the status that it's subscribe and click create. Okay, now I'm gonna have to use this link that the system provided to me, and you see I got the keys that it's the name prefix, first name, last name, full name, and all those stuff that I want to use with my webhook. I'm gonna just grab this one, this link, and I'm gonna move to the other website and click paste over here. Okay, so here I can select JSON or form. It's okay to leave it like that and click save feed. And that was all. I got my feed successfully created, and I got my webhook ready to move on. Okay, let's just refresh. Okay, it's just needed some time to refresh. Now we got the webhook ready over here. Okay, I'm gonna test it to see if really if I subscribe with one of my emails to one list, if it's gonna update the other website. Okay, let's go on and make the test. Okay, so let's move on to the preview form over here to the test form. I'm gonna write test one and just a test domain. Okay, I'm gonna click subscribe, and you see now I have subscribed. Okay, and I'm gonna have to test if this came up here. Let me just check it because I have used the test one hook, but okay, I see no test over here. Okay, seems like it didn't work with the hook as I had it with the get. I had to take it to change it to post, and I changed the request format to JSON. Okay, so saving this feed and testing again. You're gonna see here. I'm gonna retest. I'm gonna add another email. Let's try test 3 and test my webhook.com. That's a test email, of course. I'm gonna subscribe here, And as you're gonna see, the moment that it's gonna subscribe, I'm gonna check now the Fluent CRM to the other website. Let's check now if we have the email transferred here. And you see, I have the test-free testmywebhook.com email transferred to the other website, and the tag is added over here with MLSCS 100. You see that I used one website, I subscribed to one website, and my email transferred even to the other website. And we have a subscription to the first one and move my subscription to the other one too. Okay. So I guess that was all, and I believe it was easy. I'm gonna just revise the whole procedure so that you remember what we did. First of all, we have to enable the webhook to both Fluent CRM platforms. Okay, we have one website and the other website. We need the Fluent CRM to one website that it manages the marketing and everything, the emails and the automations. I'm gonna add the link to my description to find out more about Fluent CRM. You can even add it to your WordPress installation for free and test it. And as we have the automation ready from here, we move to settings, and then we move to incoming webhooks. We create a web hook over here. You see that I have an incoming webhook over here, and grab this link. Now we move to the other website and to the form that we have created to collect the subscription. Over here, I'm gonna have to create a new webhook, and to this webhook, I'm gonna just give it a name and add this link that I grabbed from the Fluent CRM from the other website that manages all those data and collects the data. Okay, and the method that I finally used and it worked. It was the over here I used the post and JSON. Sorry, because it looks like we have another open form here. I'm gonna just refresh so that you're gonna see the changes that I made, the final changes. And the final changes was that I used post and JSON. Okay, I had the same window twice over here open, and I don't want to confuse you. I used the post and JSON and this particular link. No headers, all fields, and I just saved the feed. Okay, on that way, testing the form, I can see that when I subscribe to this website, all the data are transferred to the other website, to the one that uses the Fluent CRM, and we have the contact added to the other website too. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that was helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask me to the comments of this video, and I will try to answer to all of you or create another video. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video, and remember, please subscribe to my channel. You're gonna see a lot of interesting AI tools and a lot of interesting WordPress solutions and plugins, and like this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you to the next one. Bye bye.